unemployment. Philippines as one of the third world countries. Philippines as the most corrupt country. Philippines as the home of nannies, money stealers, crime leaders, and... Wait. I'm sure you're getting tired of hearing those words being thrown to us. So here I am to make you feel proud of having a true Filipino blood. Good day everyone, I am Rachel Jane Malikdem, a true Filipina. There are countless reasons why you and I should be proud of being a Filipino. First reason is that we are rich in culture and tradition. Just like every Christmas season, we believe that completing the 9 evening masses will grant one of our wishes. Also, even though Filipinos do not have a sumptuous meal during this celebration, the value of togetherness matters more than any material things. For them, happiness isn't material. As long as the family is complete, our whole being is complete as well. Aside from that, we also give due respect to our elders through the words po and opo. Pabili nga po ng suka. Mano po tita, mano po lola. Ingat po kayo ha. Yes, that's how Filipinos show their gorgeous side. Filipino love is also one of our unique characteristics. We give a very huge love for the people who are special to us. For us Filipinos, love is something we work. There is this step-by-step process that we do. First, a guy builds friendship with the person he loves. Then, he courts her through ways like giving her chocolates, flowers, and through pick-up lines like this.
Tumatangkad ka ba? Bakit? Dati nasa puso kita, ngayon nasa isipan na kita. Be, twitter ka ba?
Bakit?
Kasi trending ka sa puso ko eh.
As the days pass by, they will enter into a boyfriend-girlfriend relationship that will eventually lead them to marriage, on which they will vow to love and care each other, with God as their witness. Another reason to be proud of being a Filipino is that we are talented, not just in the Philippines, but also worldwide. Just like this.
Pyramid, we built this on a solid rock. It feels just like it's heaven's touch.
I know that's the lyrics of Pyramid, but that's not Charisse. So anyway, the song sounds familiar, isn't it? Of course! Who would not know this small girl with a huge and powerful voice? Yes, she's Charisse, one of the Filipinos who give pride and honor to our country. Not only Charisse excelled in this field, but also personalities like Arnel Pineda, Sarah Geronimo, Maria Aragon, Jessica Sanchez, and Manny Pacquiao. Lastly, and I think the reason that we should be most proud of is that we Filipinos are simple and happy folks. Even though disasters come our way, still our smiles are clearly painted on our faces. Around the world, people search for happiness. But for us Filipinos, it is our tool for survival. Indeed, Filipinos are unique and we can't deny the fact that we are really exceptional. And I am proud to say that I am one of the loving, caring, and happy Filipinos. I would always like to thank my high school friends, Roxy, Fatima, Greta, and the one who sang Pyramid, my friend Lou. So, thank you for watching this video and I hope I entertain you in the best way I can. So, I am a proud Filipina and you should be a proud Filipino too.